This month we take a look at Meg White's Deep Pocket on the White Stripes' My Doorbell. This groove falls into the category of very easy to play on its surface, yet much harder to play in the correct feel, which makes it a great song for all playing levels. Throughout this song, White takes a rock-solid rhythmic motif of a quarter note bass hit, a snare drum backbeat on 2, a quick 3 and 3E on the bass drum, and a 4 and 4-and response on the snare, and moves it around with a locked ride pattern on either the floor tom, the hi-hat, or the crash. This is a great tune to introduce 16th notes for newer students, as they can hear them clearly and learn how to play them without much explanation. Then it'll be easy to go back and describe what they're actually doing. Live, Meg White uses a tambourine attachment and plays eighths instead of quarters on the first 2 beats in order to keep the tambourine feel going. I don't have the jingle sticks, and in the song, when I play it, I go back and forth a little bit, but I'm going to track over the tambourine to give it a more accurate studio feel. So we're going to get started here, but first, I think I'm a little underdressed.
I've been thinking
So there you have it, the White Stripes My Doorbell. What do you want to see on Groove of the Month? Leave us a comment below or send us a tweet with the hashtag GOTM. We are at Musicians Notes on Twitter. Did you get something out of this? Did you like it? Make sure to share it then with anybody you think could get the, benefit out of it. Also, don't forget that you can jam along to all the previous Grooves of the Month with our Spotify playlist. All the links, of course, are in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Your body